what we call the conscious mind and the subconscious. As you can see, the unconscious, subconscious, whatever you call it, is much bigger and far more powerful than the conscious mind. Now, it will tell us that, I mean, if you look at research, it tells us that the unconscious mind reacts to something within 30 to 100 milliseconds. Okay, that's very quick. And the conscious mind doesn't even begin to think about it for at least 300 milliseconds. So your unconscious is always at play. Yeah? And it's necessary for our survival because a typical human mind can process about 40 different stimuli at one point in time. And about 11 million of them are hitting us. So which means your mind necessarily has to filter it out, and it filters based on things that you like, that you connect with, that you are interested in. Yeah, anybody who's decided to buy a particular car, you know, like very recently, for example, I just bought myself a new Alto, the K10. Okay, I had not seen this car until somebody said that's a good small car for you to drive and park and all of that. And then I said, okay, a K10, I must look for it. And suddenly they're all over on the roads. Everybody is driving a K10. Has that happened to you? The minute somewhere you've decided, or if you're building a house, you're suddenly noticing things in somebody else's house. What is a tap like? How the light's done? Where? These taps and these K10s were on the road already. Only I had not seen them. Right? So your mind, your subconscious mind is extremely, extremely powerful in terms of what you're perceiving. You know, we all perceive through our senses. But then it's hugely filtered, and for that reason, in spite of our best intentions, we may be missing a lot of things. Yeah? So the unconscious is something that's very, very automatic. The conscious needs effort. Yeah? And our minds are pretty lazy, you know, because it's efficient to do a pattern. And our minds are fantastic at this because they look at patterns. Yeah, so you see something that looks like a wolf, oh, that's dangerous. I've heard that wolves are dangerous. I better move off. But if that seems like a lab, oh, labs are friendly dogs. Right? And it's important for you to know the difference. So I'm not faulting, but I'm just inviting everybody to understand that all of us carry these biases. Yeah? And that's an important part of our learning. So why must it concern us? Boy, simply because it's fraught with a lot of dangers. Right? And what are these dangers like?